So let us go through today's questions of algebra. Let P and Q are roots of this square. This is find the minimum value of P square plus Q square. Okay. So we know that P and Q are roots, and the only relation of roots and coefficient we know is P plus Q equal to minus B by A and PQ equal to C by A for a standard equation. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll try to convert. Our question is minimum value of P square plus Q square. Okay. So P square plus Q square can be written as, so we'll try to convert this P square and Q square in these two forms, and we know the identity P plus Q whole square minus 2PQ. Fair enough, this will be same only. So P plus Q is minus B, and minus B for us is minus of this A minus 2. So this will be A minus 2 whole square by A does not mean this A, okay? It is for a standard equation, okay? So basically this is coefficient of x square, this is coefficient of x. So coefficient of x square is 1. So no need to consider even that. 2 times of C, PQ is what? This minus of A plus A. So this becomes positive. This is A plus 1. Now just A square plus 4 minus 4A plus 2A plus 2. We have done this question or what? A square minus 2A plus, I guess we have done this question, but anyway, 6. Okay. So this will be A minus 4A. So this will be A minus, find the minimum value of, so this can be written as A minus 1 whole square. So for that we have to break down this as 2 plus, sorry, this is, wait, let me try it with the general only. Better clarity, 2 into A into 1. So we need to add and subtract 1. Okay, here already 6 is having, ignore that. Okay, add 1, subtract 1. So this we got A minus 1 whole square plus 5. Minimum value of this is 0. So maximum minimum value of P square plus Q square will be, when this is minimum is 0. So overall P square plus Q square is 5. So 5 is the answer to this question. Okay, so now let us come to next question. Question 2 is, the number of distinct real roots of the equation. Okay, so x plus 1 by x whole square minus 3x plus 1 by x, it is minus 2, so bring this here, so write it as 0. Okay, so take x plus 1 by x as t square minus 3t plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so this will be t square minus 2t plus, sorry, 2t minus t plus 2 equal to 0. T common, t minus 1 common, t minus 2 equal to 0. So t equal to 1, 2 will be over here. T equal to 1 and 2. Okay, so let us check now. X plus 1 by x equal to 1. So this will be x square plus 1 equal to x. So x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. No real roots, because discriminant you can see it is 1 minus 4. So this is negative, minus 3 negative. So no real roots. Now another case is of x plus 1 by x equal to 2. Okay, in that you don't even need to solve this. As soon as you see this is like something you should learn as well, remember as well. As soon as you see this, x plus 1 by x equal to 2, how is it possible when x is 1? So x equal to 1, so only one real root is possible. Okay, in this, let's come to next question. Question number 3. Of the range of x square minus 7x plus, this was a good one. Actually the question was very simple, straightforward. The identities, what to say, that range was given, but I changed this question by writing it in this A B form and then checking, because in that you could have easily put option and the purpose would have defeated what I actually wanted. Okay, so I changed the pattern of that question and I made it like this. Okay, so x square, so simply two cases. So x minus 4 greater than equal to 0, so x greater than equal to 4. Okay, so x square minus 7x plus 12 less than x minus 4. So this will be x square minus 8x plus 16. This looks like 4 whole square or what? Less than 0. This looks like, okay, x minus 2 4. Yes, this is x minus 4 whole square less than 0. So you can see that, can any whole square be less than 0? Not possible. Minimum it can be 0. Okay, so next other cases x minus 4 less than 0, so x less than 4. Okay, so let's start for this. X square minus 7x plus 12 minus x plus 4. Okay, less than sign. This goes this side, x square minus 6x plus 8 less than 0. This becomes easy now. x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 less than 0. X common, x minus 4 minus 2 common, x minus 4 less than 0. So x minus 4, x minus 2 less than 0. So range will be, this is very easy. Plot it on a number line if you have doubt, positive, negative, positive. So this is, our range will be 2 to 4. Okay. So A is this, B is this. Okay. Our question is A plus B by 2. So 2 plus 4 by 2, 6 by 2, 3. So 3 is the answer to this question. Okay. Now let's come to question number 4. Okay. So question number 4. 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power log base 5 2. Okay. So taking log both the sides, we can write it as x log 2 equal to log 5 2 log 3. Okay, now this can be written as log 2 base 5, so can be written as log 2 by log 5 into log 3. Here we have log 2, so this gets cancelled. Okay, anyway, it gets cancelled, don't directly, it will go this side, so this will become log 2 by log 2, so this will become log 2 base 2, so it will become 1, but I'm directly cancelling. Okay, so now this is log 3 base 5. Okay, so now since we have two options in 1 plus sort of form, and A and C don't satisfy, it is 3 and that, so we will have to add and subtract 1. Okay, so 1 plus log 5 3 minus 1, we added and subtracted 1 plus, now 1 can be written as log 5 base 5. Now we also have property of log A minus B as log A by B. So 1 plus base is 5, so log 3 by 5 base 5 1 plus, so this is x and this is it. Now let's come to the last question. Root A plus root B plus root C equal to 0. Okay. So this question is something like which won't be asked in CAT. It is some different question, so I wanted to have some different questions, so I gave it. Send this C to right side. Now we'll square, so this will become A plus B plus 2 root AB equal to C. Okay. So this is what we got. Now our question is A plus B minus C whole square by AB. So A plus B can be written as C minus 2 root AB, and we already have a C, and here we have an AB. This will square, this gets cancelled, so this will become 4AB by AB, this gets cancelled, so 4 is the answer. So this was it, and I hope all the questions are clear. The last one is not that relevant, but it can be.